Welcome to our channel. Statistics reveal your true strengths and weaknesses objectively. These analytical approaches guide effective improvement efforts. Step 1. Track fundamental statistics consistently. Record fairways hit, greens in regulation, scrambling percentage, putts per round, and penalty strokes for every round played. Step 2. Calculate your strokes gained in different categories. Compare your performance to benchmarks for your handicap level. This identifies where you lose strokes relative to peers. Step 3. Analyze your short game statistics separately. Track up and down percentages from various distances, sand save percentage, and 3-putt avoidance. Step 4. Review your scoring patterns. Identify where most strokes are lost. Do doubles and triples result from tee shots, approach shots, or short game failures? Step 5. Study your performance on par 3s, 4s, and 5s separately. Different hole types reveal different skill requirements. You might excel on par 5s but struggle on par 3s. Step 6. Track your performance under different conditions. How do you score in wind, on firm greens, or when playing unfamiliar courses? Step 7. Use your statistical analysis to guide practice priorities. Dedicate more time to areas where you lose the most strokes relative to your handicap. Step 8. Review statistics monthly to measure improvement and adjust practice focus. Continuous monitoring ensures you're working on relevant weaknesses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.